guys, I'm Shazib Afridi from Game Logics, and this is part 15 of how to make a Ludo game in the Unity. So let's have some fun with coding this time. So let's get started, okay? Yeah. Okay, so I've completed our data members of our game. So let's code the start method for our game, okay? So in the beginning, in the start method, let's set some quality setting. Uh, Quality settings. It's a sealed class. A sealed class is the one that cannot be inherited. Okay, and it has a static property of vsync count, which is of a type integer, and I'm assigning it a value 1. So what is the use of vsync count? It is basically used for quality settings, it's used for rendering purposes when we want our rendering to match with our monitor or with our screen refresh rate. Okay, our rendering will match with our screen refresh rate. Okay, so that is the purpose of vsync count, and then application uh, dot target frame rate. Okay, it should be, let's say, 30. Okay, so it's basically target frame rate. It's a static property again of type integer of class application, and the purpose is I think you might be familiar with the concept of fps, frames per second. It's something like that. Okay, so our game will try to render to render the frame at this particular frame rate. To render the frames, our game will try to render its frames at this particular frame rate, 30 frames per second. Okay, you can say. So now let's random number. Let's initialize it with a random value, system.range, and here we go. Yeah. And the next thing is let's deactivate the dice. Wow, is it where the hell? Dice one roll animation. Why I am not? Why can't access them? Yeah, I can. Oh, not set it to false. We don't need them in the start of the game. Okay. Basically, the setActive function works in this way. Let me show you. It's activate and deactivates a particular game object. Like this. Where? Let me show you. Like this. Now it's deactivated. So setActive. Now its setActive is false. Okay. Now it's true. See. Okay. So this is the main idea behind our setActive method. Okay. So you got the idea. Yeah. Let's copy this and let's paste it a few times to save some time for ourselves. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's done. Now um, set our players initialize initial positions. Hmm. Mm, yeah, right. The player position is equal to red player one dot transform dot position. Yeah, simple as that. It's of type vector 3 and it's a game object. Hmm. Yeah, let's copy and paste this as well to save the time. Hmm. Oh, again and again and again, like this. Let's make the changes. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Oh, ow. Oh man. Are you nuts? What the hell is wrong with me? Do we have 6 players? Come on, man. Have you gone mad? Yep. I think I'm becoming some kind of psycho. Okay. Let's do it for the green one. Green player. Oh, player position 1. Uh, green player 1 dot transform dot position. Let's do that. Let's do that. Copy and paste. How many times? 4 times only. How many times? 4 times only. Hmm. In this game, a lot of stuff is about duplication. Yeah. Yep. And for the vision, yellow. Oh, excuse me. Yellow. Oh, yellow player one. Yeah, position. And yellow player one. Transform position. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? And the last one. Blue. Blue player. No. Blue player on position. Player on dot. Transform position. Let's copy this thing. Paste it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4, 3, 2. Yeah. Now let's deactivate the borders. Deactivate. Deactivating players round borders. Yep. Yeah. Red player border. Set active. False. Yeah. Yeah. Because why I'm doing this? Because these borders we will use these borders when we roll the dice 6, then our borders will move in a circular fashion. Okay, it's kind of, yeah, it will look some, it will have a pleasant look. Yeah, let's copy and paste. Red player 2, 3, and 3 and 4. Yeah, same thing for which one? For green border. No green player border dot set active fonts. Yeah, copy and paste. Yeah, we have no other choice, buddies. We have no other choice. 3 and 4. And for the which one? Yellow player border dot set active fonts. Yep, copy and paste. Copy and paste like the taste. Yeah, I'm becoming a poet. Copy and paste like the taste. Wow, rhyming words. The last one, blue. Blue player border. Set active fonts. Oh, let's do our thing. Whoop. Oh, B is missing. B is missing. B is missing. Oh man. Oh man. Blue. So we are done with our model deactivation. Now what's left? Yeah, let's deactivate the winning screens. Let's deactivate them as well. Yeah, our red screen set active fonts. Our blue screen not screen heading blue screen, yellow one, yellow screen. Yeah, make it false. Disappear. Which one is left? The green, green screen. Oh, green screen. Wow. Hmm. Now, let's. We need a switch statement. You will know why. Main menu, manager, and how many player. If you remember, we have a data member by the name of how many players. It's a static data member of type integer, which is used for determining the number of players, like we are in 2-player mode, 3-player, or 4-player. Got the idea? Hope so. Case. Wow. Case will be basically based on player turn. If it's no man, What's wrong with me? Case 2. Case 2 means like if we have selected two players mode, then we will check, we will assign red to our player turn string variable. Yeah, the when the game mode is when we have selected two players game mode, then we will start the player turn from the red one. Okay, the player's turn will start from the red one, and let's deactivate frame. Not deactivate, it's activate. This should be true, because we, yeah, the frame rate, it's basically the white frames that are used for players turn, so we want this to be active for the red one because its player turn is which one, red. Yep. And frame which, green, blue, yellow, all of them should be false because it's not their turn. Frame which one? Which one? Yellow one. False. Yeah. Same is the case with the blue and frame blue set active false. Yeah. And for the blue player and for the two players mode, we want only red and the green one to be activated. Okay, and the blue players and the yellow ones are not included in the two players mode. Okay, so we will play the game with only red and green. So let's code that. It's blue, blue player one dot set active false. Yeah, let's copy this, paste it. Yep, blue players should not appear. Same is the case with the yellow one. Oh, always misspell the yellow one. Yellow player one dot set active false. Let's copy and paste. Let's save it. And finally, the break statement. Okay, so it's how switch works. And I've told you, if you want me to create a series on the basics of how to program in C Sharp and particularly in Unity, then let me know in the comments. Okay. Yep. Case 3. Now let's say if we are in the three players mode, we have selected like we want to play three players game. Then we would like to switch the turn, or you can say we would like to start the player's turn from the yellow one. From the yellow one. It's your decision, okay? It's you want the blue one, the yellow one. It's totally up to you. Then you will code the things for that particular case. Like now it's the yellow one. Now I will activate the yellow frame like this. Frame yellow set active true like this. Think you got the idea. So it's totally up to you from which player you want the turn to be started. Frame red pause. Yes, now it's done. Frame blue. But in the meantime, I got an idea of like yeah. I will let you know in a moment. Frame. Which one? Which one? Which one is left? Green. Yeah. The idea is basically if you are in the two players mode, then we are already ignoring blue and the yellow one, so they shouldn't be here. Yeah. And if I'm not wrong, the frames are deactivated by default. Yeah. So yeah. So we don't need them. Let's comment them, okay? For the moment, and or totally let's get rid of them. If then we will check the game, and if it's creating the problem, then we will fix this. Don't worry about that, okay? And then the third one, it is oh, my battery. I should plug in my laptop. Yeah. It's. What? We don't need the which player for the three players mode. I think we should exclude the green one. Yeah, let's exclude this one, the green one. Okay, because it's a three-player mode, and let's do that. The green one, the green. Let's green. Here one, four. Oh, semicolon. So paste, paste. Oh, and I forgot one very important line of code, which is basically uh, which will actually switch our dice roll button to the yellow player corner, which is dice roll dot position is equal to we are assigning yellow dice roll. It's a transform. Yellow dice roll dot position is a transform. Yeah, it's a transform and it's a transform. We are good to go. And let's break the case. Finally, let's break it. In the case, the last one, the fourth one. Player turn again should be the red. Yeah, the red one. And the frames, the same thing. This one, this one, this one. Yeah, but it's two of them. It's two of them. Copy and paste. And let's yellow and blue. Blue, the yellow. but it's true. Let's make it false. Yeah. So I think that we are done with our start method. Let me check for the last time. Let me check. I think that everything. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I forgot this main line. Forgot this line, man. The hell is wrong with me? This position should be red dice roll that position. So it will change the dice roll button position to the red player's corner. And I think that this is it for this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you have any problem, confusion, okay, if you haven't understood a single point in this tutorial, let me know in the comments. I will be happy to respond, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. Take care of yourselves and see you in the next tutorial.